Hi, I'm Jim Constantinitis. I'm the General Manager of Smart Repair Australia and Smart Fix New Zealand. It's a quick identification of the damage to determine the severity and the time frame that it's going to take to repair. Once we identify that, we book them in for a repair date. One of our staff will go around the motor vehicle with them and just to reiterate what we're going to do to their car and the expected time frame. The paintless dent repair process is our preferred method of repair. We try and fix as much as possible, if not everything, on the motor vehicle using the process of paintless dent repair, which is where you massage the dents out from behind the panel, or in areas where you can't quite access the behind the panel, we have a high quality glue system with a slide hammer, which we glue the dents up and then we massage them back to flat, to pre-accident condition or to pre-hail condition. And in some cases the paint's already split from the hail, so that's a panel that may need to be painted. Any roofs that are quite severe, we always attempt to repair them using the paintless dent repair method before we go down the road of having to have that panel replaced. We find it's better for the motor vehicle's integrity and longevity.